Artificial intelligence is everywhere these days. But what actually is it? In this video, we're going to look at some definitions of AI and explore two different types of artificial intelligence, narrow and generalized intelligence. We'll also discuss why understanding the difference between them is important. So let's dive into what AI is and how it works. Artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer or a robot controlled by a computer to do tasks that are usually done by humans because they require human intelligence. That was a mouthful. Let's break it down. The word artificial means that something is made by humans. So artificial intelligence is intelligence that is created by humans. The word intelligence refers to the ability to learn from experience, understand complex ideas, solve problems, and make decisions. So artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer or a robot to perform tasks that require human intelligence. There are different types of AI, and one way to categorize them is into two groups: narrow or weak AI and generalized or strong AI. We'll focus on narrow AI in this video. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform a specific task such as recognizing faces in photos or understanding natural language. For example, Apple's Siri or Google's voice assistant are examples of narrow AI. They are designed to understand and respond to voice commands. Narrow AI systems can be very effective at what they do, but they are limited to performing only the tasks they were designed for. The second type of AI is generalized AI or strong AI. This type of AI does not yet exist, but would be able to perform any intellectual task that a human can do, such as reasoning, learning, and planning. It would also be able to understand natural language and interact with humans in a way that is indistinguishable from a human. So why does it matter whether we call it narrow or generalized AI? It matters because the capabilities and functionalities of these two types of AI are very different. Narrow AI is what we have now, and it can do some things very well, like recognizing faces in photos or understanding natural language. But it cannot do everything that a human can do. It is not intelligent in the same way that a human is intelligent. However, it performs very well at specific tasks due to the vast amounts of training data it uses. Training data is the data used to train an AI model so that it can learn to perform a specific task. Improvements in training datasets have led to significant improvements in the performance of narrow AI. For example, Google's Inceptionism project trained an AI model to recognize faces in photos. The model was trained on a massive dataset of 10 million photos. The model was able to achieve human-level accuracy on the task of face recognition. Another example is OpenAI's ChatGPT, a language generation AI that can generate realistic and coherent text on a variety of topics. It is trained on a massive amount of text data from the internet and other sources. Its performance on various language generation tasks is comparable to that of a human. While narrow AI can excel at specific tasks, general AI aims to create machines that possess the same level of intelligence as humans and the ability to learn and perform any intellectual task that a human can do. This includes things like reasoning, learning, planning, and creativity. The goal of developing general AI is to create machines that are capable of performing any task that a human can do. This could potentially revolutionize many industries and aspects of our lives. However, it is important to note that there is still significant debate regarding the possibility and implications of creating general AI. Some experts believe that it may never be possible, while others believe that it could lead to major advancements in fields such as healthcare, transportation, and manufacturing. As AI becomes more advanced, it is important for developers to ensure that they are implementing measures to ensure transparency in their systems. Explainable AI tools can help with this by providing insights into how a model works and why it makes certain decisions. By using these tools, developers can identify potential biases and make sure that their AI systems are fair and accountable. It is also important to establish clear policies for when and how transparency measures should be implemented. This can help to ensure that AI systems are developed and used in a responsible and ethical manner. Overall, understanding the different types of AI and their capabilities and limitations is essential as we continue to develop and integrate AI into our world. As AI continues to advance, it is important for us to have a clear understanding of the different types of AI and their capabilities and limitations. By doing so, we can harness the power of AI to improve our lives while also mitigating the risks that come with it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.